Hello out there in YouTube land. This is the Miniature Makeover Mechanic coming to you live from the East Coast of North Carolina. My first talkie. Here we have a Matchbox 55C Ford Galaxie police car, but it's going to be a customization job. That's right. It's going to be a 1967 Ford Galaxie XL convertible. How about that? And the reason why, that's the one I grew up with. My mother had it. I learned to drive in it, so I'm gonna try to replicate it. Gonna try to break this glass and getting it out. It's already cracked in the back, but anyway, I'm gonna do my best. You notice I like to put sound effects in because it seems to be funny to me. I like sound effects. I used to do some sound for bands and things, so I kind of, there's the old stripper jar and the goo. After a while, I'm gonna remove that. Now, I'm gonna have to grind that little hump off the top and fill in that hole because I don't need that. I'm also have to cut out the window post because that car was a two-door convertible. I tried using this spot putty, but it didn't work too good. I guess it's too thin, so I think I wound up using some JB Weld, which always works well. Here I'm cutting out the post and taking off the door lines, casting lines. Two doors have a long door. Goes almost halfway back to the car. Well, halfway back to the back door. I wouldn't do this if I didn't have another one. Only customize if you have extras. What I always say. But you do what you want. The old trusty chrome pen. Chrome up this here grill. I'm gonna have to do something with this grill because this is a 65 grill and the 67s they changed, so I'm gonna have to do something with that, but I'll think about that later. Right now I just want a chrome grill, all I can chrome. Lay a little primer on this thing before I start the yellow paint. That's what color the car was, yellow. So now painting is something I don't like to do, but I have to do it. I practice every time I paint because, oh look, it's the redneck caviar jar. A lot of folks been asking, why don't you talk on your videos? Well, I don't like to hear myself talk. So many people love to hear themselves talk and talk and talk and talk. I don't want to hear myself talk, to tell you the truth. But anyway, this is for the guys wanting to hear something. So here it is. Got to change this interior to a black interior. Just add a little of this here paint. Make it black. I have to cut off that trailer hitch also. I don't like those trailer hitches. Well, I'm gonna paint this top black. A convertible top, but I'm not gonna cut the top off and just paint it black like the convertible top on the car was, and give the illusion of a convertible top. And this is what I started out with, the regular Matchbox police car. And here is my 67 Ford Galaxie XL. I made the paint job look a little rough because the car was a little rough. Well, I really didn't make the paint job. That's just the way I paint. But it matches what I can remember from photos and memory of how the car was. I had to change the tail end of the car because 65s was different than 67s, just like the front grille was different. But this is what I got. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.